Here we go, require weekly test.
This is a manual test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast will vary at any given location. If severe weather is expected, the test will be postponed till the next good weather day.
That was different. I never heard a manual test. Okay. That's good. Close the video. I may be making a lot more videos today because in the evening there's a big chance of severe thunderstorms. Alright? Bye.